Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 4th, 2024, and we're diving into PVH's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. PVH, known for its iconic brands like Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger, has just released its Q3 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. PVH reported a revenue of $2.255 billion for the third quarter, which is a 5% decrease compared to last year. However, they exceeded their guidance. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. While the revenue saw a decline, it was better than the expected decrease of 6 to 7%. The gross margin improved significantly by 170 basis points to 58.4%, thanks to a favorable shift in channel mix and reduced sales to lower-margin wholesale accounts. This margin expansion helped boost their adjusted EPS to 3 cents, well above the forecast of 2.61 from 5 analysts.
That's impressive. It seems like PVH is managing its cost structure effectively despite the revenue dip.
Indeed, they are. The focus on higher quality sales and strategic reductions in Europe have played a crucial role in maintaining profitability.
Strategic initiatives and brand performance. John, let's talk about PVH's strategic initiatives and brand performance. How did their key brands fare this quarter?
Tommy Hilfiger saw a slight revenue decrease of 1%, while Calvin Klein's revenue fell by 3%. The significant drop in heritage brands, down 54%, was expected due to the sale of their women's intimates business. Despite these declines, PVH is focusing on building brand strength and consumer engagement, particularly with their PVH Plus plan.
And what about their inventory levels?
Inventory increased by 9%, which is attributed to early receipts and lean levels in the prior year. This positions them well for the upcoming holiday season with a strong inventory composition.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, PVH has projected a GAAP operating margin of 9.2% for the full year. How are they achieving this, John?
PVH is focusing on cost efficiencies and strategic investments to drive their initiatives. They've managed to decrease interest expenses to $16 million, which is a positive sign of financial health. Additionally, their stock repurchase program is on track, with 300,000 shares repurchased for $29 million this quarter.
And what can we expect from PVH moving forward?
For the full year, they reaffirmed their non-GAAP EPS guidance of $11.55 to $11.70, despite the challenges posed by foreign currency impacts. Their focus remains on sustainable, profitable growth through the PVH Plus plan.
CFO Insights. Let's hear from the leadership. What insights did CEO Stefan Larsson and CFO Zach Coughlin provide in this report?
CEO Stefan Larsson emphasized their success in exceeding top and bottom line guidance, driven by strong consumer engagement for Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger. He highlighted their systematic progress in connecting product strength with consumer engagement. CFO Zach Coughlin focused on their disciplined approach to managing expenses and driving long-term growth through cost efficiencies and unlocking brand potential.
It sounds like PVH is well-positioned for future growth.
Indeed, their strategic focus and execution of the PVH Plus plan are key to their sustainable, profitable growth outlook.
Key takeaways. In summary, PVH has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2024 with impressive profitability and strategic execution. Their focus on brand strength and operational efficiencies is paying off. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing PVH's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on PVH's performance in the comments below. Until next time.